The following is a reaction video. MLP Friendship is Magic, MLP Equestria Girls, or anything MLP My Little Pony related, or I like to say, are all owned by Hasbro Studios and Discovery Family. Please support the official release and enjoy.
What is up, YouTube? Frostbite is here, and Little Frosty is here as well. And today we're gonna look at another reaction to MLP Season 8, Episode 23, Sounds of Silence. This episode, I'm not sure what's going on here. This is a very popular one as I hear today, because we're gonna see something new. So, I can't wait to see what's ahead of us. Let's get this video started, shall we? And of course, we all know the rules in the description down below. In the following openings, I have to remind that every time, because y'all know. If you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, share your art. Guys can share your artwork about me if you like on Twitter, Deviantart. Just notify me, okay? And if you got commissions, I'm happy to draw commissions. Each character drawing your OCs, that's gonna be $25 in my DeviantArt page. So without further ado, let's get this reaction video started, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest. This is amazing.
What do you mean, Twilight? We've been on one together before.
Exactly. This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest.
Oh, is that so?
Special.
Alright.
Because we're extra good at solving friendship problems.
I hope so, because it looks like this one might be a little tricky. You're
How's
going
that?
to the Peaks of Peril. The Peaks of Peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds and the Crystal
Oh.
Empire is made of crystal?
Fair point. So,
Well,
what can you tell us
she's
about
not wrong about that.
Only what Rockhoof told me. Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril, except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Now we know why the map called us.
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Neric, fearsome beasts of pure fire.
Oh.
Maybe you should go instead of me, Twilight. Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
Well, I never heard of it. You wouldn't say it like that.
Get that friendship problem solved no matter what kind of creature has it.
Alright. And we're back. Oh wow, they left immediately.
Yes, no
Very
pony
windy.
is going out as far as we are.
There's something wrong with my throat. My throat has been
Now,
painful.
Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times. There's nothing to be scared.
What the heck?
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The
Oh.
final destination. The last stop.
Okay, we get it,
Forget the
dude.
picture. Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
Okay, this guy's hilarious. Oh, wow. Oh, can we see more of that guy, please? Please, can we see more of that guy? He's hilarious. He has a fun laugh. I bet he got good ghost stories.
Must be the Peaks of Peril. Whew. Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy?
She wasn't with you. Oh wow.
There. That should be enough flowers to keep
Aw,
the tree cozy.
that's nice.
Fluttershy? What friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually...
Come on! We're burning
Oh, boy.
daylight.
I know, but what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figured if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack! Can you please listen to me?
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is, the squirrels told me a shortcut they take to the Kirin village.
Oh. Good to know.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you
You
hadn't
kinda-
come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Okay. Oh, wow. I like this.
I hope that's not an Eric.
Show
Yeah, I can-
yourself!
I'm guessing she's the queen.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
Huh.
Huh.
Quiet bunch, ain't they? We're from a
Yeah, they are.
and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all. So, what are
You know, they're
your
acting like
names?
actual animals.
Applejack, Fluttershy. Remember?
Maybe they don't understand us.
Do you understand Ponish?
Ponish.
Oh, but you don't speak?
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment? You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can always
Is that
tell
so?
what Angel is feeling, but these Kirin don't show anything.
Really?
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
That's a good question. Can we take a moment back that the background of this looks amazing? It's similar to my art style. It's similar to my art style when I made Candor City, where buildings are connected to trees, but in a futuristic version, in a jungle-like feel, mixed with Japanese culture. That's basically what my Candor City is.
Knock knock. Now you say who's
Oh,
there?
they really got a really cool, interesting design. The magic coming out of their horns in a different way.
Police, say something.
It's nice.
Uh-oh. I feel a sneeze coming on. Achoo!
That's a fake sneeze.
Gesundheit.
Oh, now we're getting somewhere.
A dark, spooky path that leads into unknown territory?
Tell you what, Sugar Cube, you stay and see if you can get anything out of these here Kirin. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be careful. And watch out for Nerix!
Really? Why she was nervous?
Yeah!
Oh, squirrel.
Phew. Have you seen a Kirin
Saw that
that
coming.
talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Oh, she can talk.
Sorry, but that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've just arrived.
Autumn Blaze.
Perhaps you're tired or hungry.
Nice to meet you.
And want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
Okay.
That was something, all right.
Yeah. Better than nothing. Oh, wow.
Wow. This is amazing.
Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forest and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you, thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing, and we are all it.
That was deep.
I was gonna say it's pretty, but yeah.
That was deep.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to, process.
Vow of science.
Process. That deal with.
Whoa there. Vow of silence?
That's why they asked me to leave.
I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet
Vow
in the
of
first place?
silence.
It's a long story.
You'd rather not talk about it?
No.
I understand.
I'd rather
That came out of nowhere.
We weren't always quiet.
Okay.
Stories and funny jokes must end up as a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said.
Oh.
Flaring tempers were inflamed, destruction quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I?
Oh, wow.
My heart gave it ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader, the last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence, we stepped as a crowd. The
I see.
water filled emotions, and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained.
Oh, wow. I like this character. This is a really good song. That's face expressions.
I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head, till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs, and they let dose
I see.
the plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety.
Is that a shout out? Was that a reference?
Story about the Kirin who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky
Oh,
mask.
wow.
He played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love
The
with
Phantom
another dude,
reference.
So he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
That's hilarious.
Leader made it clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move.
Oh, yes, they are.
For company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys.
I like that.
Candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter, 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them.
This is amazing. This is like Disney levels of musical.
Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it rain.
That was beautiful.
Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
That's what I said. Well, you know, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
Oh, wow.
Right. Well, I'm thinking if we just go talk to the other Kirin, we can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
There's no cure left?
Oh.
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since.
Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy.
True.
I'm gonna start by getting your friends to welcome you back.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
Are you
But
kidding?
I hope she does.
Aw.
Fluttershy, guess what? I figured out the friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kirin
LOL.
never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
She's seen it a different perspective.
The Kirin are usually peaceful and kind. But when they get mad, they turn into Myrics, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they
Oh, wow.
argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kirin decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Well, yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neric in the first place.
And how can you be sure that
Oh,
will
boy.
happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Hey! Maybe they got worried because we were arguing with each other.
Ah, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where
Oh,
are they
boy.
taking us?
Oh boy.
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
Oh.
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who will speak to me.
She talks?
Oh wow.
You have no idea.
Oh, she can talk. Just watch where
Thank
you.
you for that, wall of fire. But I thought Myrics were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them.
And
It's-
giving up
that is
animals
true.
to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the Kirin being silent, and right now!
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the
Ah.
way of our friendship.
And if
This is a
you
good
really
lesson in
think
that. This is an
take
okay
some time away
episode.
to be a Myric, we're
I see why it's so
not hurting
popular.
anyone.
They understand.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kirin trapped in a well?
You can't chat in a well.
Baby fish.
Are you serious?
Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Ah, just write it down. Oh, this is making me furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
That's a good reason of how to get rid of your anger.
Oh! You want the cure for the stream of silence!
That's wonderful! Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73 and a half times.
That is a lot.
I wonder if that second half could make a difference.
she told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called foal's breath.
I've never heard of that.
They happens to be the flowers if the Fluttershy is stuff in the squirrel. Aren't they?
He says he knows where to find fool's breath.
Well, what are we waiting for? Lead the way.
I did see him in the flashback. Pay attention quick, because they go by quickly. And I was right.
That's what fool's breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
Cause if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower.
And if your honesty hadn't convinced the Kirin to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Alright, Frosty.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
Anyone who likes to voice chat with me and give Frosty a voice here, give little Frosty here a voice, I would appreciate that. Female voice actors who can do a kid voice, I won't mind. Oh, you just dunk the flowers in there. Oh, nice.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift.
You sound so young.
Anger is within us, but it is our choice how we let it out. We would very much like it if you came back to live with us.
You sound so young.
I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it.
Nice. Well, that was the episode, everyone. That was a fun episode. We learned about these new creatures, the Kirin, and I see so many of these characters in Twitter and why people like these designs. I really like them. I liked the designs when I saw them, and it's really cool. Now I got new. I can't wait to see more. I hope people make some Kirin OCs instead of pony OCs, because there's a lot of pony OCs, unicorns and Pegasus only. No Earth ponies that much. And I know they're going to show some more Kirin OCs out there. I hope so. Because these Kirin designs are amazing and well done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reacting video. Me and Frosty enjoyed it well. As he's a little happy right there. Take care, have a great day, be safe, and most importantly, stay frosty, everybody.